Welcome to the Panterra Networks admin portal. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to update your credit card information. First, from the home page, navigate to the Billing Manager section. Here, you'll find your contact information listed right at the top. To update your credit card, click on Billing Groups tab. Note that some accounts may have multiple billing groups, as each location can be treated as its own entity with separate payment methods. In this example, there's just one billing group, so click on it to expand its settings. Next, we'll click on Billing Preferences. Here, you will see the current card on file, if there is one already set for the group in question. In this scenario, we'll check the box next to Invoice, expand the Actioned button, and click on Edit. Then, we'll click on the Credit Card Check, which will then redirect us to a new page where you can enter your new credit card information. Once you've filled in all the details, we'll scroll down to the bottom and select Pay with your credit card button. This will save the new credit card information in the system. And that's it. You've successfully updated your credit card information. Thanks for watching.